What's up, YouTube? My name is Smitty. Welcome back to Smitheys. If you are new here, go ahead and think about subscribing because we do truck videos, travel videos, and thing videos. Today's video is going to be a travel video. I found this abandoned little town from last week. This is a continuation to that. I'm going to be exploring this little house behind me. Look how creepy that jank looks. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell beside it to be notified every time I drop new videos. I hope you like this video. Stick around. Let's get to it. This would be perfect for a freaking scary movie.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay Oakland are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel
Yo, it's so cool back here.
on my skin beginning to
Look
fall
at that.
from within.
Oh, look at that deck.
Today and not tomorrow, there's
We're about to eat crap.
no time to borrow. Today
I'm gonna shed the glass out. Hornets in there.
this morning has a clearer light as any
We're gonna die.
to see the
There's gonna be a hole in the deck. We're gonna be a hole in the deck.
excuses were two for
Mayor,
penny,
7 Spring.
but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I
Okay. Got your little garage over here. Drive in, park your car under the garage.
all that ever was is a rest.
And we're driving in the garage. There's a side door to get you out of your garage. Going down the rock road.
Something's gotta give today. It's a good day.
Here's the courtyard where we entertain the guests. A little tea. Kind of a little shed. Halfway thought somebody was gonna be in here. Probably gonna be catching one of them bullets in the windows. Look at this, look at this, look at this. That leads you over to your garage with the overhang. That's the additional little shed right there. Running water. Oh, let's see if it works. Make sure there's no spiders on it. We're gonna get bit. Would you live here?
Today
Should I go down there? No, I'm just potting. Thought this was the outhouse. The light. This little light of mine.